Guys, exciting news, BMW 2002 M5, and what we're doing next couple of days, we're working on this wonderful, like I said, vehicle and being PPF front end. What we're going to do, polish completely front end with the PPF. It is possible to polish it, and ceramic coating, obviously. The paint, I would say, is extremely chippy and extremely thin. So it's really important to know what to do with the machine, when to stop. In this case, is about preserving and protecting. So windows going to be protecting, polishing, and the car again need to be done with ceramic coating in the end. So very long process, but will be really satisfying in the end. You would see it on a video. So let me show you around what we're doing with the BMW. This wonderful BMW. So once again, you see we paint corrected the paint. It's beautiful metallic. And what we against with whole car, I just left it here. So you see the swirls, milkiness, marring, and it's heavily scratched up, as you see. If we move to the left, that's how it looks like after, okay? Much better. So over here, I would see is really, really heavily scratched. And over here, we got metallic paint. Once again, on the side, so each panel did have certain problems in terms of scratches and car washes. And one of the panels, once again, I left here. We're going to work on it. So you see those swirls, marring, scratches. It's quite heavy scratches from car wash. So I just want to share with you how we're going to bring it during the process back to the restore the paint and bring it back to metallic color. So on this gorgeous BMW, the front end is actually PPF. What happened with this PPF during the time, multiple years been PPF, so there's certain decontamination which through the washes we did, but we're going to do polishing. It is possible to polish PPF, but you have to be more careful in terms of heat so you don't damage the PPF, okay? So with this one, once again, we got burn mark, we're going to polish that. And on the right hand side, once again, you see certain, it's completely blue, beautiful metallic color. On the left hand side, you see a bit of haziness and a bit of miring and a bit of scratches. So once again, we're going to polish this and ceramic coating and will be look like brand new once again. Polish the PPF, we prep the panel now in terms of the alcohol, we wipe it off and it's absolutely stunning, the bonnet. You can have a look, and for now we're going to apply ceramic coating, okay? If someone asks if ceramic coating would last on PPF, not as a metal panel or aluminium panels, but still would be there. So we like to do preparation, we like to protect even PPF like the rest of the car. So you see now PPF is there, ceramic coating, and now we just wipe it off. You want to make sure all the smudges from ceramic coating go in one go. So guys, we got 1.5 inch polisher, and now how we know the car been actually respray, what we're doing here, this micro detailing. So we find this is actually overspray from the lacquer, and we're going to dress that too. Hi there. So, interior wise, what we did, completely strip it down, this leather, from the leather skin, oil, bacteria, dirt. Obviously it's 23 years old vehicle, but what we find out, this car particular, this seat's been decontaminized. So they sprayed with the brown beautiful paint. So as you see, this is leftover, this is brand new tower. So we need to be super careful and super extremely careful how we're going to approach it. So only couple of squeaks on a sponge. Instead of use heavy steamer, I decide to do it by hand, literally everything, and just attack this black dirt gently. So it's already coming off, and just instead of wiping off, scooping this dirt and leave, if it's possible, the paint on a seat. So anything like this can be done by hand. It's just slow process. Like I said, we get this car for 3 days, so it's inch by inch restoring the seats and make sure there is leather conditioners. So the paint coming off already, that's why we need to be super careful. We don't apply lots of pressure. Once again, we go gently and make sure the car is beautiful once again. Guys, we finished the project with this gorgeous BMW M5, and was such a privilege working on this vehicle, because on these electric DNH vehicles now we did have close to 400 horsepower, really old school BMW. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you with the next one, and what a privilege. Thank you again.